On today's episode of Watch Jericho, I'm here with David. We're in his Ridgeline, and there's a trailer hooked up to this thing. Did you guys know it could do that? What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Jericho, and today we are pulling this trailer from Wichita to Kansas City with a Ridgeline to pick up another Honda. A very interesting Honda. I think you guys will want to see what year?
79.
79. I thought I was going to say 78. Okay. Well, 79 Honda Civic. Bet you haven't seen one of those in a while. Can't wait to go check this out. Look at this. I've never seen a car dolly rocking a Silverado back and forth that hard. The whole truck's rolling. He's trying to stop it. I can't stop it. It won't stop wiggling. Is he going to pull over? Oh, he is.
Are the wheel bearings bad?
I don't know.
It looks like
He can't figure out what to do.
it is moving the whole truck.
That's wild. It's like a $10 trailer throwing a Silverado around. It's still going. It's still going. And here we go, the 1200cc 78, right? The 9. I changed it a year again. Honda Civic. Check it out. What a cute, is it a 3-cylinder?
No, it's 4.
Oh, it is a 4-cylinder. Wow. It's like the size of a modern 3-cylinder. It's so small. Is that the smog pump?
Yeah. I took the belt off of it.
Well, I mean, that smog pump probably takes 2 horsepower to run.
Yeah.
I wouldn't doubt that at all. That is sweet. Man, it just needs paint. You don't even need to do anything.
Yeah, that's all.
I'd drive it. I like it. Oh, and hatch struts. Ah!
Of course.
Good. I'm glad you need hatch struts. If you didn't, I'd be jealous.
Does that make you feel better?
It does, much better. Oh man, look at all the storage in this thing. Yeah, you could fit a whole house worth of stuff in here. A whole Civic worth of stuff in here. We got a automatic. It's a 2-speed, a high-low. So you got 1 and 2, which is pretty crazy. What'd you call this transmission? I don't know it very well.
Hondamatic.
Hondamatic. Okay, so it's basically like their motorcycle transmissions, and you just take off and low, and then just shift into high like a power glide. And
It's like an automated manual.
What's the speedometer goes up to? I thought it said 10. I'd believe it if it said 10.
100.
100.
That's pretty optimistic.
It's a very optimistic speedometer. You're in it for a downhill 2 days. This thing is sweet.
Yeah, the body's pretty solid for 41
It is.
years old.
Engine mount's a little rotten. This RTV is pretty funny. Mechanical fuel pump looks cool. What a cool little pump.
Yeah, that's...
This is all emission stuff, it looks like.
Yeah, it's old.
I guess this is right in the height of the emissions era, huh?
Yeah, the Honda got away without a catalytic converter.
I bet they did. They don't have to move any volume or any fuel or anything like that. Pretty cool. So we're gonna drive this on the trailer, right? Is that gonna work?
Yes. Yes.
I'm excited to see this.
Yeah, we're gonna drive it on the trailer.
Cool.
Or we could drive it home. You wanna drive it home?
Sketchy.
You can follow.
I might not make it home. Did you see a date cut on these tires? I think these are pre-date cut tires if they're that old.
That's what I was looking for.
I think you also said... Let's see. Oh, these are pretty new looking. I love how they say low noise on them. Good thing they're not noisy tires.
I don't think they're... Yeah,
Put your whole hand around that tire.
155s.
155 12s. Well, this is how I know you got a deal, David. You got the flamethrower coil there, the chrome ignition coil, manual choke. This thing's pretty cool. Only 3 gauges, just like that. Oh, whatever, 4 I was just doing. Fuel temp, mile an hour.
That's all you need.
All you need. Yeah, hit me with this 1200 cc's of fury here. I'm ready to hear this certified ripper.
You need to make sure it don't fall through the center.
Yeah, I'll watch. I'll watch. I gotcha.
Oh, that seat sucks.
That seat looks like it's gone. Gone. actually going to be a pretty sketchy blow here. It puts the tires like right on the inside ridges. Needs that warm-up time. Fuel injection is the only way. I bet this little thing loves its choke. I bet it loves it. I figured you did. Yeah. It looked like you were two pedaling it to get it on.
When I put it in gear, guys.
Oh yeah. Too much load. Plus,
now it's working.
It needed some more warm-up time for sure. Tag bolts.
Oh, tags. Okay.
Nice. Now it's all warmed up and you're done.
Now I'm done.
A few minutes to warm.
Oh,
I figure
yeah.
if you have the choke on halfway, about 2 blocks down, then it's good to go.
She's good to go? Awesome.
You gonna drop that?
Yes, here. Can't beat the old drop fender U-Haul trailer for that. You're clear. It came with valve cover gaskets?
Yeah.
What a win.
Free valve cover.
Free Velcro valve cover gaskets.
That increases the value right there.
Yes, it does. That's like $15. Okay, so this is the standard package you were saying.
Standard package had the fuel and temp here, but you could get a deluxe package that had the tachometer, and it put the fuel and temperature here.
Honda loves to charge extra for tax.
And it's missing the wood grain over there.
Oh, okay. Well, that's looking snazzy with wood grain. Yeah.
Light doesn't work.
Got a cool headliner though, horn work. Nice, cute little beep beep. Oh yeah, lights work. Yep. You want to check the rears? Fire it back up.
Just the lights.
Yeah, tag lights, all the markers. They worked for a moment at least. Got the baling wire exhaust, classic.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna kick these ramps in and see if the Honda Ridgeline can tow the Honda Civic. This looks good to go. I can still get my foot underneath it.
Yeah, we're good.
So,
We're good.
we are good. It'll be fine. Oh, extra axles. Awesome.
Thank you. Sure.
Sweet. Well, we are ready to get on the road. The Honda is strapped down. Just Ridgeline things. You know, my buddy brought his brand new Dodge Ram over today. And now, you know, Honda did this, well, how old's this thing? 04?
07.
07? Okay. So he brought his, 2021 over, and of course it has that tailgate. All the new Rams have, the barn door. Yep. It's the new thing.
They're just copying Honda.
Just copy it off. Would you look at that? The Honda Odyssey pulled a Honda Civic all the way back to Wichita, and it really didn't struggle at all. You guys would be surprised at how well this thing pulled this car.
You said Odyssey.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it is Odyssey. It's just missing some doors. But yeah, the truck Odyssey here. It did great. We'll look at this thing again in the daylight. David's back with the Honda, and already he pulled the seat out of his other Honda and threw it in this, and it looks amazing. Man, what an upgrade. If you swap both seats over, it'll be a brand new car.
I wasn't that inclined this morning.
No, it seems like too much work for sure. Well, this thing, definitely a champ. I mean, the Ridgeline put in work getting it here. Check that thing out. What a cool old Civic badge. Even the Honda logos on this are super cool. I want to drive it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh man.
Here, bud.
We got a Honda keychain and everything. It smells just like an old Mini and everything, but it has so much more foot room. The footwells are huge compared to the old Minis. So the ignition is way up high on the column there. Oh, it runs great now. Nice and warm.
Yeah. I put it in the garage last night. I don't know if I'm going to park it in the garage anymore because it smelled of gas. I don't want my house to burn down.
No doubt. What's up?
This looks like something that'd be in Borat.
Yeah, it does.
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, here we go, Hondamatic for the first time. There can't be too many of these left on the road. This thing drives great.
Going first.
Oh, all the way to first? Okay, we're actually in first. We selected it. It's got a nice big ring steering wheel.
No power steering.
Yep, easy to steer with a big old steering wheel.
And when the engine starts to scream, you let off the gas and put it in second.
Okay. Huh. This isn't bad. We're only going 30 though, huh?
I think this number's kind of optimistic too.
Is it?
Yeah.
5 mile an hour high?
Yeah, probably.
Makes sense. You have to downshift every time?
Yep.
No, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
It moves all over the road. This is just like a supercar. It shifts like, I mean, it shifts really fast, so just tap the paddle and away you go.
It could use a couple more gears.
It could definitely, it is really screaming going what it says is 50.
Imagine on the interstate with this thing.
Oh, 80 would be, I don't think you can actually go 80.
I think you'd throw a rod.
Yeah. We should have brought the draggy to see just how fast the quarter mile was there. What our top speed is. Breaking out the speedometer.
Let's see how fast we're actually going.
Okay. I'm nailing 55 right now. Oh, it's not that far off. Okay, it is 5 off.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, there you go, a 79 Honda Civic. Super interesting. Old Honda logo on there. I love the heat extraction hood on there. The factory heat extracting hood.
Right.
So cool.
Ram air into the cabin.
Oh yeah, yeah, for the HVAC.
Well, for the
Since it,
For
yeah,
the-
the forced air through the vents, right?
Yeah.
That's super cool. All right, man, enjoy it. Have fun combining your two and making the one killer show car.
we will.
Should be really sweet.
It's gonna be fun.
I like this transmission, other than the fact that it
Do you?
turns way too much RPM.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't get on the highway with this thing, and
Yeah, even 60 is like, it's
It would-
kind of a stretch.
it would scream. It wants the 4-speed.
It does. Well, it's cool. I love it. And if you're ever in trouble, it sure is easy to push.
Yeah, it is.
All right, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjrgo.com for cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time.
Pretending to be Harley.
Pretending to be a Harley, it's just going through the oil, no big deal. Never have to change it. I love it. I don't see anything yet. Has to sit for a minute, I guess.
I think it has to be running.
Has to be running to leak oil?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Yeah.